Hey everyone, I'm just standing in front of this beautiful building at the corner of Montgomery and Hardway. This is Hardway Street. Hardway. I shouldn't say street. So I'm about to show you a two-bed and a two-bed and one-bath unit on a third floor. Inside this Airdrie building, it is also known as Hardie. It is a beautiful building. The area is very nice and quiet, very quiet. It is located in one of the best school districts. The building is located in one of the best school districts, Lower Merion. And this is what it looks like. I'm sorry, it is a foggy, rainy day, but this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful place. So the unit is inside this building. In this building, you go through two doors to get into the building. The first one, you don't need a key, but for the second one, you have to have a key, so that gives you additional security. Although the area is very quiet and peaceful area. On the left-hand side, you have this mailbox for the residents, and also an intercom. You could visit your guests from upstairs. This is the stairs that takes you up. It is wide, has beautiful wood railing. Now I will show you this on my next video, the common area starting from here all the way to the unit. Hello everyone, I just got into the hallway. I'm about to show you a two-bedroom unit on a top floor. It is a beautiful unit. It has two bedroom and one bath. The hallway, as you could see, has a big window for a natural light. The street you see here is Hardway. So the unit I'm about to show you is located on a third floor. You have this, and you have this beautiful roof. It is bright on a third floor. Nobody will be a tenant of this unit will be on the top floor, so nobody is gonna be above them. Here is the hallway. So the unit I'm about to show you is unit C2. I just left it open for the video. This is the unit. The unit, as you walk in, the unit has a beautiful hardwood floor and a very high ceiling. It is a foggy day in Philadelphia. We're not getting a lot of sunlight because it's rainy, but as you could see, I didn't turn on any light. The unit gets a lot of natural light. This is your living area. On your right, you have a fireplace. Over there, you have a heat source. This place has a central heat, a radiator heat. This is what it looks like from this angle. At that corner, you have a closet space in living room. Nice closet space. Next to the living area, you have this nice balcony. There it is. The deck. Nice balcony. I mean, it will be a beautiful place to have, especially in the summer for the fresh air. Then the next space I like to show you is this huge, very big dining space. Huge. This dining space also have this beautiful shiny hardwood floor, a very high ceiling, huge window, 3 huge windows for a natural light. Unit is very, very bright. Big dining space. This is what it looks like from this angle. Over there on my left, you have your kitchen. Here on my right, the first door you see is the master bedroom. Then you have a bathroom. Then the back bedroom, almost similar in size. First, I would like to show you the beautiful kitchen we have here. It's a huge kitchen. It has a beautiful dark floor. As I walk in on my right hand side here, you have a nice size pantry. And also you have a lot of storage cabinets. You have a dishwasher. You have laundry machine. You have a sink. And on the right hand side, you have additional cabinet space, a gas oven and cooktop, and a refrigerator. You also have a space where you could put a small tables or a shelf just right before the door. And in a kitchen you also have this window which brings in a lot of natural light, and a door that takes you to the back of the building. When you take your trash out, you have a dumpster there, and you take these fire stairs. It will take you down to the basement, to the first floor where those dumpsters are. And it is also a fire exit. So this is the kitchen. The next place I would like to show you is the other rooms. I will start with master bedroom. So here is the first bedroom. Boom. Same beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, huge windows for natural light. It is, as I said earlier, a foggy day in Philadelphia, a rainy day in Philadelphia, but you could see the unit gets a lot of natural light. You are watching out to the Hardie street, the Hardie again from your master bedroom. This is your view from the window side, and on my right here you have closet space. That is the door I used to come in. And you have another door, which is this. It takes you out from the bedroom to the bathroom. This is your bedroom. And through this door, you go into this beautiful bathroom where you have very nice tile floor, a toilet, a cabinet, storage cabinet, and also you have here sink, medicine cabinet, additional storage cabinet. Got another one here. This is your medicine cabinet, what it looks like. You also have a smaller one here. You got additional storage place here. You also have a window for a fresh air. Under the sink, you also have additional storage. I use this door to come in from the bedroom. The bathroom door. The bathroom has another door. This one that will take you to the hallway. This is the dining room. This was the master bedroom. So you have this hallway. In the hallway, right across the hallway from the bathroom, you have this huge, very big closet space. On my right, the bathroom I just showed you. Then the last place I would like to show you is the back bedroom. It is as big as the master bedroom. If it's not bigger, it has two huge windows, and also it has a closet space at that corner. This bedroom is located to the back of the building. You'll be looking outside to the back. We saw that space when I was showing you the kitchen. This is the back of the building. You could see at that corner the dumpster for the trash. This is what it looks like from this angle. This is a huge bedroom with two windows. All right, this bedroom also has this beautiful, amazing, shiny hardwood floor and high ceiling. The place is located in one of the best school districts. I just showed you Unit C2 of 2 Hardie. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.